I don't know about you, but I think these look divine. Yes, look at that jam just oozing out of there. And right in the middle is the peanut butter. Some of it came out, and check what it looks like. Yes, yes, yes. Hey guys, so I'm in the kitchen, meaning that it's cooking time. Now today I'm gonna be a naughty mommy. Yes, I'm gonna cheat. I wanna make peanut butter and jam muffins, but I don't feel like doing all the pre-mixing and all that stuff. All I wanna do is add the peanut butter and the jam. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna cheat, and I'm gonna use store-bought vanilla flavored muffin mix. Yes, guys, I do cheat. You know what? In this day and age, we need to be unapologetic when we cheat. So I'm gonna cheat. Yes, I said it. I'm gonna cheat. Use the store-bought. At the end of the day, we don't have a lot of time. We have so many things to do. We're busy on lockdown. We are homeschooling. We are cooking. We are doing laundry. All those things. If we can cut the corners, why not? I'm gonna be cutting the corner today. Please feel free to use fresh ingredients. Mix it up yourself. But when we get to the part where we put the jam and the peanut butter, then you can go for it. So hope you enjoyed this recipe, and let me know in the comment section how it went for your aunt. Okay, my son is waking up. Let me make these muffins very quickly. So these are the items that I'm going to be using to make my peanut butter and jam muffins. This makes 24 muffins. I'm not going to use all of it. You can just read the back of the packet to see what you need to actually prepare this. For the full packet, I need 4 eggs. I'm going to just use half of it, so I'm going to use 2 eggs. And I'm going to use crunchy peanut butter. I think I want it to be all crunchy and flavorful, but it's up to you. If you want to use a smooth one, please go ahead. And I'm going to use strawberry jam, purely because I like it better, and the color, it will give it that red color. And yeah, I just love, who doesn't love strawberry jam? And you need oil. So this is what I like about this. You don't need milk. I guess they've put powdered milk in there, but anyway, so you don't need milk. I'm also gonna put a cup of water into the mix. All right guys, let's get mixing. One minute later, and we're done. Who could complain about that? So let's do the very, very fun part of this all. Putting this into the muffin tray and adding the goodies, the peanut butter and the jam. At this point, I would advise you to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. And while it's warming up, we can just dish these up into the muffin tin. I don't know about you, but to me, this looks yum, like that peanut butter thing says. Look at that. The peanut butter is oozing out from the middle. We got the jam there. Yes, yes, yes. This with a cup of coffee should do the trick.